Here we have the Sorrento Pod Camper, one of our great little off-road units. Today, let's take a look at where the battery and main fuses for this camper are located. At first thought, you may think we have put them in the front toolbox, the same as our she-oak model, but the Sorrento is a little bit different, so they are not in the front toolbox. But this camper, they are stored at the back. Underneath the rear door area, there is a storage compartment. This is where the battery and main fuses are housed. This hatch is key lockable for security and safety. Locate the key for these back latches, insert your key and rotate to unlock the hatch. Then turn the handles and lower the door. Now we can see our battery. The Sorrento comes with 1 Century branded deep cycle battery. Just behind our battery, we also have some fuses. These fuses will cut the power supply to various parts of the trailer if there is a power surge or too much current is being drawn. If you find that the power for your camper suddenly shuts off, come and check the fuses in case one has been tripped. One quick tip on battery care while we are here is to make sure the terminal wing nuts on the battery are tight and secure. You would be surprised how the vibrations of a long drive can loosen these. Another thing to check is the battery holding bracket. Make sure this is tight and the battery is secured. If you can wobble the battery, it is not secure enough. When you are finished with maintenance on your battery or checking the fuses, make sure to close the hatch back up. Don't forget to lock the hatch before you head off on your travels. Happy camping, guys!